Trimtone. New. 100% natural fat burner. For women, achieve your body goals faster with 24/7. Fat burning fueled by nature. Trimtone tells your body to burn more calories, fires up fat loss, and helps you slay your health and fitness goals. Burn stubborn body fat and unlock your body confidence. Trimtone stimulates thermogenesis, the conversion of stored fat into energy, and speeds up your metabolism, the amount of calories you naturally burn even while at rest. It literally tells your body to burn fat. You'll burn through even the most stubborn stored fat round the clock, helping you lose weight and reach your body goals quicker. Burn, baby, burn. Curb cravings and stay on track with your goals. Nothing derails all your good progress like a snack attack. Trimtone suppresses your appetite and reduces pesky hunger cravings, helping you keep your daily calorie intake in check. By helping you stay in control of your eating, Trimtone helps you say no to unnecessary calories that'd otherwise end up on your waistline. Not today, brownie. One-a-day formula designed for real women who don't have time to mess around. Let's be real. In between running from work to the gym to the grocery store, managing your mile-long to-do list, and worrying about whether it's hair wash day, you don't need extra hassle in your life. Which is why we made Trimtone totally faff-free and super easy to use. Just take one capsule a day. That's it. Visit the official website in the comments for more information. Thank you.